Everyone, so currently I actually generating the image for my client brand. As you can see, this looks amazing. So in this video I'm going to talk about why you should use Shopify. This is the first thing, and second thing, how you can generate image using ChatGPT and then Gemini, and then also my client looking image. Like this is very basic and look like a very like AI. So I'm trying to improve that, and I'm going to show you the entire process. So stay on me with me, I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so first of all, I have given the product name as well. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy my product title. Okay, so this is my product title, so I already copied. So I'm going to copy, and then each prompt I have to paste it over here. As you can see, this input your product title. Okay, so I'm going to copy the name, paste it, and then same way what I'm going to do at the end I'm going to paste it again here, and then also I'm going to paste it on over here as well. So paste it. Okay, so my image like product, all the prompt is ready, so it's time to give the product image. So I'm going to go to the preview on Shopify, and after coming on over here, all I have to do is I need to copy. So what I'm going to copy from here, just I'm going to take one product picture, so this one as well. So I'm going to copy this one, and once I do that, guys, I'm going to go to the each prompt. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and then also I'm going to paste it again here, paste, and then again paste, and then again paste. Okay, so every image I pasted. So I'm going to click the enter, 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 enter. And by the way, guys, all this thing I have been enter here. So if you want to, like, this is my agency website, Shopify. They're actually totally free website you can build. So you're actually creating, we provide Shopify free website using 5 product, within 5 products. So if you want, you can message me, and then also you can see our portfolio. So under the message, you can message me on WhatsApp for quick response, and the big meeting, big plan, you can book a call with me. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So, and let's see what type of result we get. And once I get the all the results, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually remove the, as you can see, when I generate, I actually see this. Okay, so this is the logo actually showing of Gemini AI. Okay, so I'm not gonna add that. So in this case, I'm gonna also remove that, and then I'm gonna show you actually how I remove this. Okay, so everything I'm gonna show you from sketch. So just all you have to just, you need to watch my full video, guys, and then you will be able to learn a lot of things. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. So in this case, what is my task? So I'm gonna copy all of the images. I already set up the Canva, and so already, as you can see, already set up Canva. So I'm gonna copy this image, and once I copy, I'm gonna go to the very top. I'm gonna paste it on over here. This is the first one, and I'm gonna go to the second one, and I'm gonna check that is this the exact same image she actually used here. Yes, but there's a different. Okay, so in this case, what can I do? Basically, I have another prompt. So if this is not using your exact same product, all you have to do, you need to copy again, and then if you're not satisfied, use exact same thing again. Okay, so as you can see inside your product name, maybe I didn't give my product name here, so let's give it. Okay, let's enter window V, and then my product name here, let's enter. So if something not working at this point, you have to give again the product, so that this way after that it's gonna work. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first image. So this background actually I don't like. Let's try again. So if you're not satisfied one of them, so you need to try again one more time. Okay, so this is the way I generate, and then I'm gonna remove the images logo as well, and then after that I'm gonna actually generate. Okay, so first thing, this is our second one, this is the third one. That looks good, but it should like generate this kind of background. All the background is kind of same. So yeah, guys, so all the image I generated like that. Okay, guys, now as you can see, actually using my exact same product, as you can see, it looks kind of same, so I can use this right now. So for this one, this is also good, but is the exact same thing is still okay, so we can use that, no problem. So some of the background, like solid background, is perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna go to the, so sorry guys, I'm gonna keep it very top. Okay, very font, so that I can exactly use this. And then also I want to keep it very fast, and then I want to set up as well the easy way, so that I can working on it, because if I keep it at the middle for the webcam, I cannot see properly. So that's why what I'm gonna do, where is my, so for the webcam, guys, I cannot see properly. So in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up it properly. Okay, so all the images, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one. Okay, so and then also Canva here, and then also I'm gonna keep my sheet as well. So and then also I'm gonna keep my product, so that I can use from here. So this way, guys, is organized. I can see everything in front of me, I can easily use. So yeah, guys, right now as you can see, this is the first image. I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna go to the Canva. So I'm gonna paste, yeah, I already done that. So once I come into over here, so you just have to click the right click and then reflex. Okay, it will be reflex, and then go to the second one, copy this one, and then come to the Canva again, and then paste it on over here, and then reflex it, and go to the third one, copy it, and go to the Canva. So guys, I set up, I actually researched a little bit what type of image I should keep. So what's the first top images I should keep, so that actually I might get a lot of sell. That's our main goal. Okay, so this is the, wow, I make a mistake maybe. Yeah, this one will be first and this one will be third. Yeah, that's my mistake, guys, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so let's copy this one and go to the third number. This will be third number, maybe first number and second number is same. Yeah, third number is this one. So let's come keep it here, and then right click and paste it here. This is kind of same, the first image and third image. This is a little bit more like left and right side. Okay, that's, we can keep it. And let's move to the 4 number image. Let's copy from here, and then come to the Canva, paste it. Why I'm doing that, you will understand after a few moments. I'm gonna removing this, like a like the logo. Okay, so right now let's go to third one, copy this, come down over here, and I'm gonna come down over, sorry guys, come to the Canva and then paste it on over here. Okay, so once I do that, let's click the right click and paste it. Okay, so once this is done, so all I have to do, just I need to click on over here, click the edit image and go to the remove eraser. So I'm gonna click on over here and then also eraser, so it will be removed from here. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, so I'm gonna click the cross from here and then click again on over here and then click the edit, and then after that I'm gonna click on over here and then I'm gonna click this one and then also click the eraser. Okay, so that will be totally done. So let's click the eraser. So why actually not clicking here? So something wrong with the magic eraser, please try again. Okay, so you can try again later. So let's cross this and then click on over here again, edit image, brush, and then also try again. Let's see, is this working now or any issue? Okay, so now it's actually working. So if you see sometimes this is making issue, so you can try one more time. So let's click on over here and then go to the edit image. So guys, this is the smartest way. So you should not, don't have to find the like free tools or something other stuff, so that like you can use this way for the easy work, for quick work, because we have to make it smart work instead of doing like researching tools, which tool is best, paid version, free version. This is actually wasting time. So find something away, so and go with that. So don't overthink too much. So this way actually it will waste your time and then remove, like, lost your productivity. Okay, so let's go with this way. I'm gonna do it for this one as well. Let's click on over here, it will be removed. Is there eraser, so it will be removed. So guys, our all product have been done. Okay, so for the SEO purpose, right now I'm gonna copy my product title, and once I do that, I'm gonna come to the Canva and then I'm gonna paste it. Okay, paste it and paste it, so that it's actually, this is will be my product file name. Okay, so that when I will upload that, at this point what gonna happen, whenever people search online, my image will show in front of them and then they will find my product easily. So I'm gonna download as a zip file. So let's click the download. So transparent background, I don't want to click here. Okay guys, so whenever that's gonna be done, so at this point it will be okay. So guys, so many people actually asking me, can I sell on Shopify for free? The policy is, platform is pretty simple. Try it before and buy it. Okay, so you can access Shopify strategy, creating the online store after free trials, and if you want, you can continue selling your products. So you must have to pay the plan. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So for just for this one reason. Okay, so I hope you got it. Okay guys, our all the images have been uploaded. So I'm gonna go to the file. From the file, what I'm gonna do, basically I'm gonna click on download, and then after that I'm gonna actually extract that. Okay, so let's extract that, so it will be extracted. Okay, so the file have been extracted here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the Shopify and I'm gonna come to my product, and then I will remove the all the unnecessary bad product image. I'm gonna remove from here. As you can see, all others image I will keep it. So let's delete them, and then let's click the plus, and from here what I can do, basically I can drag and drop as well from here. So let's drag and drop, come to the Canva and then quite it here, so it automatically will drag and drop. Pretty simple work guys. So if you can do the quick work very smart way, and it will be very fast way. So if you can do this work, I guarantee you that your Shopify store get sales. Some first product will like your main product, and then second one is lifestyle photo, and third one is actually, let me set up first and then I'm gonna explain. This is the first one, and this is the lifestyle one is 7-1. This is the closer, more than closer. Let's delete that, this is coming multiple time. So let's click on over here. This is the fourth one, like little closer my product, and this is the fourth one, someone creating, and this is the fifth one, like someone gifting. Our main goal is to, like, so many people actually gift their someone, like give their partner or someone else. So that's why I'm setting like that. So yeah, this is done. So right now let's move into the next product. Okay, so if I come to over here, so I'm going to show you the preview. So as you can see, all product guys, I'm doing that this way, so that my client actually gets sales. My client providing me money, if by the end of the day if he not getting sales, this is my bad thing. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to make something so that my client gets sales. Okay guys, if you want to learn more, you can come to my agency website, and then also guys, you can explore my portfolio, all this stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future any type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. Thank you.